Hi guys, so this is my first YouTube video for this channel, as you can see. We are filming in the garage because we're like head rats like that. Today we're gonna be doing the Crystal Light motherfucking challenge.
You ain't thug like that.
Alright, you ready for this?
I'm Nikki. You guys don't even know her. Whatever. There's no me for my channel.
He doesn't have a channel, so
I'm finna get a channel.
that's it. Oh, and this is my, I guess, whatever.
Nicholas.
What the fuck? Okay. So this is what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna here, get that.
No.
Alright, we're just gonna pour these in our mouth and then we're gonna make Crystal Light in our mouth. Like kinda. Why does it burn?
It burns. It burns.
My mouth. What that mouth do? What?